If you want to stop recurring charges on Robinhood, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various features. Step 3. Access the Notifications or Subscriptions section. Scroll through the Settings menu to find the Notifications or Subscriptions section. This is where you can view any active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Review active subscriptions. In the Subscriptions section, review the list of active subscriptions. Identify the recurring charges you want to stop and select the one you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel the selected subscription. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the recurring charge is stopped. Once you have completed these steps, the recurring charges should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for further assistance.